Wait and see.
Welcome back to Wait and See. I'm Brian here with Erica, and today we're breaking down Daedalus versus DeepSeek harness. Who actually built the autonomous coding agent?
That's right, Brian. This decides whether you can start shipping AI-generated code today or stay stuck waiting on a promise.
Exactly, Erica. We'll compare real shipping status, open source openness, and model freedom, then tell you which tool to adopt right now. First, Daedalus installs with a single npm command and launches a local REPL that talks to any LLM you pointed at.
Wait, what? No cloud token fees ever, because it can hook into local LM Studio, Olama, or VLLM on the same machine.
It also ships a premium TUI dashboard that shows live CPU and RAM gauges, a file tree selector, and a model picker, all without leaving the terminal.
Right, but the real magic is SigmaMem, a reliability scored memory engine that prunes hallucinated facts after failed builds.
Exactly, Erica. SigmaMem starts each memory at 0.70, adds 0.10 for past compilation, and multiplies by 0.70 on failures, automatically purging anything below 0.20.
No way, Brian. That means the agent forgets broken code paths, keeping future prompts clean and focused.
Daedalus also enforces a SpecFirst workflow. The spec command creates both a human-readable Markdown spec and a machine-readable JSON contract that every subagent must obey.
Oh, 100%. And before any code is written, Daedalus runs a TypeScript type check to fix existing errors, then auto-installs missing NPM packages.
The orchestrator runs 6 specialized agents: spec, planner, coder, researcher, reviewer, debugger, and prints a dynamic checklist that updates in real time.
Right. And when the checklist hits a failure, the debugger retries up to 3 times, then triggers a git rollback to keep the repository clean.
The fin loop turns this entire process into a fully autonomous ticket pull request pipeline. Run Daedalus loop, and the daemon pulls GitHub every 3 minutes, claims issues labeled Daedalus Toto, and pushes a merged PR once verification passes.
No way, Brian. The loop even posts a Discord webhook embed with the PR link and verification summary if configured.
All of this runs on a single workstation, no external vector database, no Redis, just a local SQLite file inside .daedalus.
Meanwhile, DeepSeek announced a harness framework, but hadn't released code, benchmarks, or a CLI.
Exactly, Erica. The announcement mentions autonomous coding agents, but provides no runnable example, no open source repo, and no documented API.
So developers can't actually test it, and there's no way to verify model freedom or provider lock-in.
In contrast, Daedalus lets you swap between local Llama 4, DeepSeek v4, or remote OpenAI, Grok Anthropic with a simple config file. No vendor lock and no per token surprise bills.
Right, and the multi-agent architecture is fully documented on GitHub, with 470 plus commits, CI pipelines, and a live community.
Bottom line, Daedalus is a ready-to-use autonomous coding harness that you can run today on an RTX 4090 or even an integrated GPU.
No way, Brian. DeepSeek harness remains a speculative promise, so betting on it means delaying delivery and risking lock-in.
To get started, install the CLI, point it at your local LLM, and run Daedalus. Full guide with code and links in the description.
And if you want to automate the full loop, add Daedalus loop to your CI, configure the GitHub label, and watch pull requests appear automatically.
That's the practical takeaway. Use Daedalus now, and stay clear of unverified announcements.
Thanks for watching, and hit subscribe for more clear breakdowns of AI tools.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Wait and See, your signal through the noise of AI.